how do I kill tall fescue grass in my Bermuda lawn? So yeah, everybody's looking to kill something, right? The tall fescue, of course, we know it's a cool season grass.
That's right.
All right.
That's right.
So if I'm thinking about in my Bermuda lawn, you know the first thing I would do though? I would wait till my Bermuda goes dormant.
Mm-hmm.
Would you do that?
I would.
And then I'll just probably spot spray it with glyphosate.
That's right.
I think
But
that's
make sure your Bermuda's dormant.
Make sure it's dormant though.
Don't wait around until March 15th and your Bermuda grass looks green, but down there at the very base of it, it's got a little green to it. Because if you do that where you spot spray that fescue, you're going to.
Oh, you'll be able to tell.
The Bermuda grass won't come up
That's
there.
right. You'll be able to tell. Bermuda is tough, yeah, but you would be able to tell. But I would wait until the dormant season, make sure that Bermuda lawn is dormant.
Fescue's going to be green.
That's going to be green, right? So you get out there, spot spread. You can use I've seen people use the wicks, sponges, things like that.
Can't you broadcast spray a dormant Bermuda grass lawn?
You can. You got to be careful.
Yeah, but if it's dormant, and not only will you kill your fescue, you'll kill your winter weeds.
You kill your winter weeds.
Is that a problem?
Well. That's not a problem.
You kill all those winter weeds that are out there.
That's not a problem. Yeah. Just be careful with it.
Yeah.
Especially if you have a lot of them. You don't have that much. You can just
spot spray.
Yeah, spot spray.
But there's also image. If during the growing season, will it take fescue out?
It has some activity on fescue. It sure does.
I think.
Yeah, it'll probably be multiple applications, but it does have some activity on it.
So if you can't wait till the winter time.
Yeah.
Image, you might want to give that a try.
Right.
Pretty expensive.
Pretty expensive stuff.
But,
right. But at this point in time, I would wait.
Glyphosate's cheaper.
It's cheaper. Yeah. Wait till the dormant season. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.